Every day I see videos saying AI is replacing bookkeepers. Some people think bookkeeping is fully automated now. Others think AI is too dangerous to trust with their books. I am a professional bookkeeper. I use AI in real client files every week, not in theory, in practice. So today I am not going to tell you what I think about AI. I am going to show you what actually happened in real bookkeeping files, where AI helped and where it got something wrong. If you are using QuickBooks Xero and any other software, this will save you from a mistake I have seen more than once. AI can categorize thousands of transactions in seconds, but it still does not know your business. For an example, I had a $340 Amazon charges auto-categorized as an office supplies, but it was for a birthday gift. AI did not ask, it just decided, and it looked confident doing it. The bank description for a business purchase and personal one almost similar. AI reads the pattern and it does not know the reason behind it. That is why bookkeeping still needs a human reviewing what AI decides. So if AI can get something that simple wrong, what is it actually good at? This is where it makes a difference. AI is generally excellent at the repetitive part of bookkeeping, such as it can read your receipt, extract invoice data, suggest categorization, match bank transaction, and speed up reconciliation. Notice what is missing from that list? None of it requires knowing your business. In one client file, AI flagged duplicate important bank transaction in under a minute. That used to take me going line by line, and that is real time saved. But it did not know those duplicates existed until it compared the data. It did not understand why the mistake happened in the first place. That took me actually looking at how the bank feed was set up. AI removes repetitive work, it does not remove the need to understand your numbers. Here is the mistake I see USA business owners make. They trust AI a little too much. The biggest mistake is not using AI, it's accepting every AI suggestion without checking it. I have seen a transaction miscategorized as a regular expense when it was actually a loan repayment. Left uncorrected, that affects both the P&L and the balance sheet. And that is the kind of error a lender or a CPA catches at the exactly the wrong moment. Think AI like a junior assistant, fast, useful, but not the ones who signs off the final report. Every important number still gets a second look. That is not slowing things down. This is what makes the final report something you can actually trust. So here is exactly how I use AI start to finish. Bank feeds come in, AI suggests categorize on the routine stuff, the part I mostly trust. Then I review anything unusual such as new vendor, large amounts, anything that does not match the pattern, I reconcile the account. Then I review the final reports before anyone sees them. On a recent cleanup, AI helped me flag duplicate vendors records in minutes. A fix that used to take a couple of hours going record by hand, that is the real value. Not a robot doing bookkeeping for me, a tool cutting the repetitive part, so I spend my time on the part that actually needs judgment. That combination, AI for speed, a human for judgment, is what I trust. And it is what I would want if it were my own business. So where does this actually leave bookkeeping as a profession? Here is it what I think changes and what does not. Here is the pattern I see most business owners connect AI tools, sees a clean looking dashboard and assume the numbers are automatically right. They stop asking the basic question, is it deductible? Where should this go? Because they assume the software already knows. But it usually does not. A clean looking report and an accurate report are not the same thing. I have opened a dashboard that looked polished and found the story underneath was wrong. That is the honest picture. Here is it what I would leave with you. So can AI really do your bookkeeping? Part of it, yes. The repetitive parts, the parts that do not require knowing your business, the parts that still needs a human are exactly the parts that protect you. Catching the mistake before it becomes $2,000 problem, knowing the difference between a business purchase and personal one, understanding what a clean dashboard is actually telling you. Every week I share real example like these AI, bookkeeping, QuickBooks and what I am actually learning using this stuff on real files. If there is something specific you want me to cover, comment book and let me know and I will get back to you.